Wash white leather sneakers. You don't need bleach. Turns out, there's a way to make white shoes look like new again. In a large bowl, pour in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It has whitening properties. It also removes sweat odor from inside the shoes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. It's a great cleaning and disinfecting agent. Then, add 1 tablespoon of regular laundry detergent. Make sure it doesn't contain chemical bleach. Finally, pour in 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's the secret ingredient that boosts the cleaning power of the mix. Pour in 1 cup of water and stir everything until it forms a smooth mixture. Look at my white sneakers. After last summer, they're very dirty and discolored. I scoop up the mixture and apply it to the shoes. I do it generously. I scrub using a sponge or brush. The foam practically cleans the shoes by itself. I don't even have to try hard. You can quickly see the shoes becoming white again. At the end, I rinse them with water, and done. They look like new again, and the leather didn't get damaged. Since I started using this trick, I no longer throw away dirty or old shoes. Stains, dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors disappear quickly. You can also rescue sports shoes, Crocs, or even other soiled items using this method. All you need are these small balls. Since I learned how to make them, my sneakers, Crocs, and even socks are always clean. To make these balls, you need 2 small cups of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of any dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. You can now start shaping this paste. It's best to make smaller balls from it. I usually use similar ones more often. 1 such ball is enough to remove stains and dirt from a particular item. You can transfer them to a jar for storage. 1 screw-top jar is enough. To clean sneakers, take a bowl of warm water. Put the shoes in it. Now take 1 ball, crumble it in your fingers, and start cleaning the shoes. You can clean the soles directly with it. You can also dissolve it in water and clean the sneakers with a brush. A few minutes are enough to remove dirt. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work well on many stains, and the dishwashing liquid enhances their effectiveness. You can clean Crocs in the same way. The dirt disappears quickly, and there are no more stains. Then, just rinse the footwear well, and you're done. You can use these cleaning balls for shoes, socks, clothes, and even other items that need cleaning. Here's how to clean white shoes. If you're unsure how to clean white sneakers, this video is for you. This method also works for white trainers. Since I started using this mixture, I no longer buy expensive shoe cleaners from the store. You'll be amazed by how well it works. You can make this cleaner with ingredients you already have at home. With just a few items, you'll get great results. First, get a bowl. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt, stains, and lightly whitening the shoes. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mixture. Vinegar softens the water, making the detergents more effective. The mixture will start to fizz, which is normal. Stir everything thoroughly. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix it all again. Your new shoe cleaning solution is ready. Cleaning with this mixture is simple. Dip a soft shoe cleaning brush into the solution and gently scrub your white shoes. This homemade mixture works best if you leave it on the shoes for a while. Wipe off the excess with a cloth and scrub the shoes again, especially the soles. You'll easily remove all stains and dirt. Your white sneakers will look like new. I will reveal the secrets of perfectly maintained shoes, just like from the store, that you definitely didn't know about. Put a bay leaf in your shoes. It's a simple trick with 2 great uses. The bay leaf absorbs sweat, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and repels insects. Just place 1 in each shoe overnight. Additionally, it's said that keeping a bay leaf in your shoes attracts good energy and luck. Throw these balls into your shoes, and they will be like new. Mix baking soda, dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide. Form the paste into smaller balls and let them dry. To clean your sneakers, place them in warm water, add a ball, and rub the stains. After a few minutes, scrub with a brush. Here's a trick that will let you dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels, even if you bought them right before the party. Put freezer bags in your shoes, fill them with warm water, not boiling, and leave them for 10 minutes. The material will stretch, the shoes won't pinch anymore, and you'll be able to enjoy the evening pain-free. Add this to your laundry, and your shoes will be snow white. To safely wash sneakers in the washing machine, choose a delicate fabric program, set the temperature to a maximum of 40 degrees, and use a low spin speed. The key trick? Throw a thick terry towel into the wash. It will prevent the shoes from banging against the drum and ensure perfect cleaning. This way, your shoes will be cleaner than ever. Your shoes don't smell the best? Here's an effective trick. Spray the inside of your shoes with alcohol or disinfectant to kill bacteria. Remove the insoles, spray them, sprinkle with baking soda, and rub it in. After a few minutes, rinse and dry them. My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to one size. All you need are two things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you.